Imagine having a tool where you type in your idea and it generates a fully functional application within seconds, because that's exactly what Google AI Studio does. Whether you're a student, developer, creator, or someone who just wants to experiment and build something with AI, this tool got you covered. You can build literally anything without even writing a single line of code. And today, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to build a real application so that by the end of this video, you'll be able to build a completely new one on your own. So before we start anything, let me tell you that we're building a business idea generator app where a user types in their budget, skills, and preferred industry, and boom, the AI generates a structured and realistic business idea. All right, let's dive into it. Search Google AI Studio. Open the first link that says aistudio.google.com. Click on Get Started in the top right corner. Sign in with Google, and here we go. On the left, you've got options like Home, Playground, Build, Dashboard, and Documentation. In the center, you'll see this big card that says Create Your First App. And right under it, there's a button that says Start Building. That's where we're going. Click on Start Building, because that's where the real stuff begins. All right, so this is the build screen. Right at the top, you'll see an input box that says Describe Your Idea. This option is really powerful because instead of manually wiring everything up, Google actually lets you describe the app you want to build. So in this box, I'm going to type, build an AI business idea generator that takes user inputs like budget, skills, time availability, industry interest, and risk tolerance, and outputs a structured business plan. Then we will click on Build. Now this is where things get crazy. Look at the left panel. It shows you what Gemini is doing behind the scenes. You can see it ran for 56 seconds, which means the model actually executed a build process for creating the application. Then it says it thought for 11 seconds, which is the reasoning time. That shows you the model actually planned before generating anything. This is important because it doesn't just give us random ideas, it generates everything step by step. And right below that, it's working on different types of files. If you look closely at the file list, you can actually see what it's building. There's an index.html, index.tsx, and a few other files. Let's wait for a few seconds. And now, what you see here is a complete front-end structure generated automatically. No templates, no copying from GitHub. It literally sculpted an app for us from just one sentence. This is basically AI acting like a junior developer in real time. And this is the thing you need to understand. Google AI Studio is not just any other prompt playground. Instead, it's like a real-time AI app builder. You describe the product, it structures the UI, creates the logic files, and connects it to the model. It even separates things cleanly, like a real dev project. And that is the reason why I said in the beginning, once you understand this properly, you can build almost anything in here. Now, let's switch from the Preview tab to the Code tab for a second, because this is where it gets serious. When I click on Code, you can actually see all the code files. This is actual working code. You can inspect the components. You can see how the form fields are structured. You can open the Gemini service file and see how it's calling the model. So if you're a developer and understand the code, you can play around and tweak everything the way you want. But if you're someone like me who don't understand codes, you still generated a fully functional app with one sentence. That's the power of this tool. So yeah, it generated all these files. You can open them, you can edit them, you can customize everything. But before we start messing with the code, let's answer the real question. Does this thing actually work? Because if it doesn't generate solid business ideas, all of these files are useless. So instead of jumping around code files, let's jump back to the preview and test it live. Now we are in the Preview tab, and this is a live environment, so I can literally start typing into these fields right now. Let's say the budget is $2,000. Time availability is 5 to 10 hours per week. Wait, why isn't it showing up? Maybe it's the font color blending with the background. Now see, it gives us limited options for time. We'll later try to add a custom input option and fix the color issue. Set risk tolerance to medium, and continue. Now enter your core skills. I'll say design and marketing. You can add multiple skills as well, but for now, I'll keep it simple. Continue. Enter the industries you're interested in. I'll keep that SaaS. Then it shows the profile summary of the details you just entered. Check it once and click Generate Idea. Now, if everything is connected properly, this should trigger Gemini and generate a business plan in real time. And here we go. It named our business Brand Vibe Studio. It even provided the executive summary. We have the value proposition, target market, revenue streams, and even a SWOT analysis. That's impressive because that's not something we explicitly asked for, but it still managed to generate it. Let's head back to our assistant and try to fix the custom input and color contrast issue. I'm not going to touch a single line of code. I'll just tell the AI what's broken. I said, add a custom budget option and fix the drop-down issue. That's it. It went ahead, edited the files, updated the logic, and fixed everything. Now watch this. The budget drop-down works properly. If I select an option, it shows up clearly. If I choose custom, I can type any number I want. And when I generate the business idea, it uses that same custom value. Real developer would probably open Stack Overflow, debug for an hour, and maybe question their life choices. But here, we just told the AI what we wanted, and it fixed it instantly. That's a real feature. Now, before we move on, look at the top right corner. First, save a copy to Google Drive. This option backs up your entire project to your drive. Then, there's Download app, which exports the complete project code to your system. You can open it in VS Code, customize it, deploy it anywhere. It's yours. Now, the third one is powerful, sync to GitHub. You can push this project directly to your GitHub repo. Then there's Deploy app. You can actually deploy this as a live web app, not a prototype, but a real, shareable application. Next, Share app. This lets you generate a shareable link so other people can test your app. And finally, switch to API key. This is important if you want to move beyond this built-in environment. You can connect your own API key and control usage, billing, and production-level access. Through these options, the app is not trapped just inside Google AI Studio. You can even check the responsiveness of this application by clicking the tiny screen right below these options. And when you look at all of that together, this is not a demo application. This is a full app building workflow. And that's exactly why I titled this video, Build Anything. Because once you understand this process, you can repeat it for almost any product idea you have. Instead of a business idea generator, you can build a resume maker, or a meal planner, or something like niche research tool. You need to follow the exact same steps. Describe the idea, click generate, and let AI build it in the blink of an eye. It's the same workflow every time. So in this video, you didn't just learn how to click around in Google AI Studio, but you learned how to go from an idea to an actual working application. And if you properly use this workflow, you can build tools for yourself or create projects for your portfolio. Having technical knowledge is not a barrier anymore, especially with tools like this, because now you can literally build anything. All right, if you made it this far, then congrats, because you're not just watching random AI content, but you're actually learning how to build with AI. Hit the like button so the algorithm knows we're serious out here, and subscribe for more AI-related content, because the next videos are going to level this up in a way you're going to love. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.